Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about the trends, the direction, the levels for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Alright, so this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and we were talking about the trend because we were, we got a breakout here on day before yesterday, which is on 26th of October. So the price actually closed above 20,000 level, and it was a good move, right? But again, the hurdle here is this particular 100 EMA. So if you see this particular line, this is the 100 EMA, and the price, even on 26, the price tried to close above this level. It didn't happen, and even yesterday and today the price is not able to just close above this level. So the moment we will see that the price closing above than this 100 EMA, which is at around 20,850 level, we will be getting a very good surety that from here we might able to see little more upside in the Bitcoin. And this is the same thing we are talking about from the past few days. Now again, because the price is trading below than this 100 EMA, so what could be the downside? So as of now, we can see that this 20,000 level, we can take it as a support area, because this can be the downside. And yes, again, the price is somewhere around trading at the support area. Now again, if maybe we will see another attempt that the price will trade higher or close higher than this 100 EMA. So for that, we need to see little more upside momentum, and because of that only we are taking this 20,000 as the support level. So now the support is clearly defined. We need to look at the resistance as well. So if you look at this 22,600 level, we can definitely take this level as the resistance. So what we can see, we can first aim at 20,850, a close higher than 20,850. If we get a close higher than this, that to a good close with good volumes, we will definitely see the 22,600 level within no time, right? So this is the range that we can expect in the Bitcoin. And as of now, till the time the price trades higher than 20,000 level, we can say that we might able to see little more upside in this cryptocurrency. And the moment we will see that the price closes below than this 20,000 level, we might able to consider this area as the false breakout. This, then it will be something like, the buyers tried, the bulls tried, but they failed completely. So again, this 20,000 level becomes an important level, and the closing above or below this level will decide the future course of action. But from this particular movement, we might able to see that not this time, but very soon we might able to see a reversal in the Bitcoin, and again the price will start moving to the upside. So this is something, on short term basis, you can look at these levels and you can look at this whole situation. And let's look at the Ethereum as well. So Ethereum is also moving in the same direction. The difference is that the price actually closed above here than the 100 EMA. So here the 100 EMA is basically at 1524, and price is basically closed above than this level on 26. So that's the reason the price is just holding up this 1510 support area. So this level, this we can take it as the support level. And if in case the price breaks this level, we can take the 1418 support level, the next level. So this could be our support 2, and this could be our support 1. Now this support 1 looks really important, prominent. Why? Because we have this 100 EMA as well, and we have this support area as well. And again, that too with the good volumes, the price broke this level. So we might able to see little more sustainability, little more consolidation at this level only. So yes, if that breaks, so we can have another support level for the short term. But again, I'm taking this 1725 as the resistance, important resistance. Why? Again, for the same reason that we have this 200 EMA here, and we have this resistance level here. So yes, for this thing, I am taking this level as the resistance level. So This is for the short term momentum, and I hope you are getting some kind of knowledge information from this video. So do share the channel, share this video, and do subscribe the channel, like this video as well, and I'll meet you tomorrow. Till then, thank you so much for watching me.